Today's our group, Melody's group, will going to present our discussion about linear function. Before we start, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Liani with name B1024, 22, and 1007. Okay, so for the first material is about what is linear function. Linear function is a function that the highest power of the variables is only 1. That means if there are more than one for highest power of the variables, it's not a linear function. And linear function has two variables that are independent variable and dependent variable. What is independent and dependent variable? Independent variable is a variable that stands alone and isn't changed by the other variable. We usually know independent variable as x, while dependent variable or y is a variable that can change by other variables. Linear function also graph in a straight line.
Hello everyone, my name is Alencia Angelica Vera from International Class Management Study Program with NIM B1024221005. Okay, here I will explain about the basic formula of a linear function. The basic formula of a linear function is divided into four formula. That's it. Number 1, slope-intercept form is y equal mx plus b. Number 2, point slope form is y minus y1 equal m parenthesis x minus x1. Number 3, standard form is ax plus by equal c. Number 4, intercept form is x by a plus y by b equal 1.
For the first example is find the linear equation that passing through the points 6, 4, and 3, and 1. Make the graphic out of those points. From this question, we got 6 and 4, and then 3 and 1. 6 and 4 at here represent x1 and y1, while 3 and 1 represent x2 and y2. To find the linear equation, we need to use the formula. The formula is y minus y1 per y2 minus y1 equal x minus x1 per x2 minus x1. And here, the y1, y2, x1 and x2, we change it with 6 and 4 and 3 and 1. So it will get y minus 4 per 1 minus 4 equal x minus 6 per 3 minus 6. And then we just add everything up, and then we got, and we cross multiply the y minus 4 with minus 3 and minus 3 with x minus 6. So we get minus 3y plus 12 equal minus 3x plus 18. And we need to multiply both sides with minus so that the x will be positive. So we got 3x minus 3y plus 12 minus 18 equals 0. And here we subtract the 12 with 18, so we got 3x minus 3y minus 6 equals 0. And then we move the x with 6 to the right side, and then we divide both of the side with minus 3. So we got y equal x minus 2. It is the linear equation. And then we can prove it with, if x equals 6, we use this formula y equal x minus 2, we changed the x with 6, so we got 3, and if x equaled 3, we use the same formula, so 3 minus 2 equal 1. And this is the graphic for these 2 points.
Hi everyone, I'm By MALEDY with NIM B1024221008. Now I'm gonna explain some example question about linear function. Now the first example question problem that I will explain is about Miss Radi opens a retirement account and is starting with $200. She plans to add $50 each month to the account. Make a equation that describes the amount of money in the account each month. And how much money does Miss Radi have after 6 months? Also 12 months. And as we know that X equal to the amount of months and Y equal to the dollar in the account. So we know that Y equal to 50x plus 200. Now the first thing we gonna search is how much money does Miss Radi have after 6 months. So X equals 6. So Y equal to 50 in the brackets 6 plus 200. And Y equal to 300. That the result is from 50 multiplication and with 6 in the brackets. So it's 300 plus 200 and equal to 500. And now we're gonna search about the how much money does Miss Radi have after 12 months. So X equal 12, so Y equal to 50 in the brackets 12 plus 200, and Y equal to 600 plus 200, and Y equal to 800. And as the result, we know that after 6 months, Miss Radi has $500, and after 12 months, she gonna have $800. And now we're gonna move to the next example question problems. The example question problems we're gonna talk right now is about Aaron earns $10 per hour. How much does he earn for working up 2 hours? And let we see with what we know that X equal the number of hours he worked and Y is the weeks that he got. So Y equal to 10x and Y equal to 10 in the brackets 2. So multiplication for 10 with 2 is the 20. So Y equal to 20, and we know that we can see that in the graphic that so the how much wage she gonna get.
Next, I will explain about the implementation of linear function in economic and business. In economic and business, linear function can be applied to function of demand, supply, and market equilibrium. The first, the demand function relates the price variable to the variable quantity of good or service demanded. The general form of the request function is QD equal A minus BP, or P equal A by B minus 1 by BQ. The second is the supply function relates the price variable to the quantity of good or service supplied. The general form of the supply function is QS equal minus A plus BP, or P equal A by B plus 1 by BQ. And the last, market equilibrium occurs because of the meeting of supply and demand where QD equal QS. Next, I will explain about example the implementation of linear function in economic and business. The problem example is if the demand function is P equal 20 minus Q And the supply function is P equal 6 plus 2Q determine how many products are demanded and offered at a price level of 10 rupees per unit. The solution is, first demand function is P equal 20 minus Q. So QD equal 20 minus P, QD equal 20 minus 10, Q equal 10. So the number of products demanded at the price level of 10 rupees is as much as 10 units. The last supply function is P equals 6 plus 2Q. So 2Q equal minus 6 plus P, Q equal minus 3 plus 0.5P equal minus 3 plus 0.5 parenthesis 10 equals minus 3 plus 5 equal 2. So the number of products offered at a price level of 10 rupees is as much as 2 units.
Hello, my name is Marlene Fazrin with student ID number B1024221006. Okay, now I will explain the implementation of linear in economic and business. Example number 2. Okay, noun demand function is key equal 25 minus P, and then supply function is key equal minus 17 plus 2P. And then asked price equilibrium and quantity equilibrium. Okay, how to solve it? We should know the formula of market equilibrium. Okay, the formula of market equilibrium is quantity demanded equal quantity supplied. Okay, here demand function is key equal 25 minus P is quantity demanded. In here 25 minus P, and then equal quantity supplied minus 17 plus 2P. Okay, and then minus 17 move to the left. It means 25 plus 17 equal 42. And then minus P move to the right. It means P plus 2P equal 3P. And then 42 divided by 3. It means the P equal 14. Okay, we got the P, and then we have to solve the key one, right? Okay, key equal 25 minus P. Okay, and then equal 25 minus 14. We got 14 from the P. Okay, and then 25 minus 14 equal 11. So the price equilibrium equal 14, and the quantity equilibrium equal 11. Okay, I already make the curve one. Okay, I will explain number 3 also. Here we know demand is P equals 17 minus key. Supply P equal 4 plus 0.5 key. Okay, and then the tax is 4 per unit. Before tax, price equilibrium are 8 and quantity equilibrium are 9. And then ask how much P and Q equilibrium before and after tax. Okay, this case is about specification tax. How to solve it? We know supply before tax is P equal 4 plus 0.5 key, and then after tax the supply is P equal 4 plus 0.5 key plus 4. 4 is from tax here, 4 per unit, and then equal 4 plus 4 is 8 plus 0.5 key, and then fixed demand is P equals 17 minus key, and then the market equilibrium price demanded equals 17 minus key equal 8 plus 0.5 key. This one is the formula of market equilibrium is QD, quantity demanded, equal QS, quantity supplied. Okay, PD, price demanded, equals 17 minus key equal 8 plus 0.5 key. 0.5 key move to the left. Okay, it means minus 0.5 key minus key. Okay, it means minus 1.5 key, right? Equal 17 move to the right. It means 8 minus 17. It means minus 9. Okay, and then minus 1.5 key equal minus 9. The key equals 6. So, after tax, the P equal 9 and the key equal 6. I also make a curve for this case. You can see here. Okay. These are equilibrium point. In here is 8. I'm sorry, I don't know why the 8 is in here. Okay, this one is should be here. Okay, should be here straight with the line. Yeah, the P is 8 and the key is 9, is from here, from before tax. This one is the P R9 and then the key R6 is from here, okay, from here is after tax. Okay, here's one from us. Thank you for your attention and goodbye.